Hey, we're at our client's house, and our client's son likes to use underneath his bed as his garbage can. So today we are going to...
We're gonna clean it.
We're gonna clean out from underneath his bed and show it to you guys.
Yay!
Okay, so we're gonna show you what's under the bed. It's been about 4 weeks since under this bed was cleaned out. So we're gonna do what we can to get stuff out. I think maybe when he's told to pick up his room too, he just shoves everything under here. Okay, just so everyone knows, this is fake money. This is not real money.
Never have kids. I'm kidding.
Эта песня называется Just a Joke.
Someone save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my thoughts. 'Cause everything we can see is just a joke.
There, it looks like there is pizza crust under there. His bed is really heavy. So we're back cleaning the home after 2 weeks, and we decided we'd give you an update underneath the bed.
Someone save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my thoughts. 'Cause everything we can...
Thanks for joining us in today's video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next amazingly clean video or any tips. So thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.